I have some new tools from our friends over at Fab Heavy Parts. Let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so I was actually about to hop in the 300 to go drive. So we're gonna be using this today to work on the car. Let's take a look at what we got. All right, so we have here our drain pan. Now in the box, everything comes, wrapped up and everything. So you have your pump, you have the hose with the filler, your wheels with the bolts for the wheels, the front wheels, your handle, and comes with some tape and all your stuff that you need. Let's take a look at our new drain pan. All right, so here we have it. Now, like I said, this is a low pro 20-gallon capacity with the hand crank on it. I'm gonna get the car jacked up here, get it on some jack stands, and let's go ahead. We'll get the oil drained out of the car. One being, it does have this mesh on it. You're not gonna drop stuff in the oil or whatever fluids. And it has this nice handle where you can lift it up off of here. And then it just falls right back in, which is super nice. Start draining the oil. So I've got the oil drained and about ready to go in with our Valvoline. Set your tools and rag and filter and all that stuff on there. Inspect your oil, as you can see. And we're gonna go ahead and drain this oil out and into our other oil container there. This thing works awesome.